I hope you don't come across the same issue I had today, and I thought every shot I did when I hit quick capture, I was in my setting, say argument's sake, standard, argument's sake. When you turn on mode on, it's always going to be on standard. I only come in on this to change my standard setting to, say I want to take a slow motion shot, and I take that slow motion shot, I'm good to go. I'm all finished, and I thought I basically shut the camera down, and the next shot I was going to take will be standard. Boy, was I wrong. Now when I hit the quick capture, it's going to be on slow motion. So whatever your last setting in video that you've taken will be on the quick capture button. And that is slow motion. So you have to understand your last video setting of quick capture is remembered. And whenever you press the mode on button now, it's going to reset to the default setting of standard of what I've chosen. That threw me for a big loop today. So if I was now in time lapse and I went out and I taken a time lapse and I set my time lapse up to whatever, and I'm taking that time lapse right here that's highlighted in blue, and I slow it down and do that, and I'm finished. I shut my camera off. What will the quick capture be? Standard. So now you can see how much confusion may go on if you don't take the time to understand your camera. So let me just go over this for you so you can understand what I just said, a recap. Your quick capture button, no matter what you chose in this video mode, will be your last set button. When you shut the camera off and wherever you ended up at, on that highlighted one, which was cinematic. But if you went and you changed it while it was still in the on position and you went to take a standard, then you're going to be back in standard. But if you ended up in activity and you finished with activity and you press quick capture, you're going to be in activity. It defaults to standard if you go into time lapse or photo. That's the only time it defaults on to the quick capture. The activity will be defaulted, it will be off, and standard will take effect only if you went into time lapse or photo. So I hope this video was kind of helpful of what I was going through, and I didn't really have any troubles. I basically went out and I wanted to change into slow motion, right? And these are all the tips that are coming up, so I reset my camera. And I went out and I did slow motion, right? And when I did my slow motion, I'm finished. I probably did one of these. I went back into standard and I changed it back, and then I basically shut my camera off. And you can see I'm trying to hit the off button. And so when I went back and I went to my video, that's what I was on. I do thank you for your time and hope this was helpful to somebody out there.